How to forestall the all app in one click. Go to the Play Store and search App Shop, and there is the app named Gill Apps. Close all apps. Install it. Click on the Gill Apps. There is the interface. You scroll down. There you can get exception list where you can choose the app that you don't want to forestall. I don't want the forestall messenger, and here is the app list that is launched. You can get this app manually or there is the automatic button. There is the press go up and click on this button, right control button, click on agree and continue and give the permission to the client from accessibilities and click on another tab that you can ask to draw over the app and then click on the button and it will start to shut down all the app that is opening by the app. Thank you.